It's a bright and sunny morning. Mama Duck is packing her beach bag, and her ducklings are so excited. Off they go, walking along the garden path with big smiles. Wow, the beach is so big and beautiful. The ducklings can't believe their eyes. Mama Duck spreads the towel and sets up their umbrella. Time to get comfy. Relaxing in beach chairs with sunglasses on. What a perfect start to the day. Yum, ice cream time. But be quick before it melts. Splash, splash. Into the water they go, with beach balls and floaties. Mama Duck floats peacefully on the water. A moment of calm. Whee! Duckling 1 jumps through a little wave. Duckling 2 is filling a bucket with water, very carefully. Laughter fills the air as they all play in the sea together. Time to dry off and rest under the umbrella. Let's build a big sandcastle. The ducklings get to work. Mama Duck shapes a tall tower with great care. Duckling 1 adds shiny seashells to decorate. Duckling 2 waves a tiny flag. It's castle time. Toddler, what a beautiful sandcastle they made. Now it's biking time along the beach path. Balloons tied to the handlebars. Pedal, pedal, pedal. The ducklings race ahead. Other beachgoers clap and wave as they ride by. They stop at a little juice stand for a fruity drink. As the sun sets, the ducks sit quietly and watch the waves. Homeward bound under the twilight sky. What a day! Back at home, safe and happy. The perfect beach day is complete.